In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs and www.messenger.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a Google Docs file through Messenger in a way that's quick, clear, and appropriate for the person you're sending it to. Start by opening the Google Docs file you want to share. Make sure it's the exact document you intend to send, and give it a quick glance to confirm the title and contents are correct. It's always easier to share when you've double-checked that this is the version you want others to see. Next, look to the top right corner of your document and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window, which controls who can access the file and what they can do with it. In the sharing window, choose the permission level you want the recipient to have. If you only want them to look at the document, select Viewer. If you want feedback without changes to the original text, choose Commenter. And if the person needs to make changes directly, set them as Editor. Also pay attention to the link access setting. If it's set to restricted, only specific people you add can open it. If you need to send it broadly or you're not sure whether the recipient uses the same email domain as you, switch it to anyone with the link and then pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor accordingly. A quick tip, only grant editor access when it's truly necessary to maintain control over your content. Once your permissions look right, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. That's the shareable URL your recipient will use to open the document with the permissions you just set. Click Done to close the sharing window and return to your document. Your link and settings are saved, so you're ready to send. Now head over to www